Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the world of Airtable to create a personal daily journal. Step 1. Log in to your Airtable account. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up. This step is important because Airtable is the platform where we'll be creating our journal. Now that we've done that, it's time for step 2. Click on the plus new base button and select Start from Scratch. Let me explain why this matters. Starting from scratch gives you total control over your journal's layout and organization. Next up, we'll name our base. For this tutorial, we'll just use Daily Journal. The reason we do this is to easily identify our base when we need to access it later. Step 3 involves creating our first table. Click Add a new table, name it Entries, and click Done. This helps us because each table represents a different aspect of our journal. For instance, entries will store our daily journal entries. After that, we'll create our fields. Click Add New Field and name it Date. Choose Date as the field type. Repeat this process for other fields like Mood, Activities, and Notes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each field represents a different category of information in our journal entries. For instance, Mood could be used to track how you're feeling each day. Finally, we'll add our entries. Click New Record and fill in the fields for your entry. This is the core of our journal, where we'll record our thoughts, feelings, and activities each day. To wrap things up, let's review. We've created a new base, named it, set up a table with fields, and added our first entry. All these steps help us create a customizable and efficient daily journal in Airtable. And that's it. You now have your personal daily journal in Airtable. Thanks for joining us today, and happy journaling.